as well as telling the stories of these events back in World War II, we've also got a couple of extra related places to stop at. And here we are at one of those related spots. This is Drakelow Tunnels. It's a former secret underground shadow factory for the Rover Car Company. It was built between 1941 and 1942, and inside, underground, there are approximately 3.5 miles of tunnels. During World War II, the site was used for machining aircraft engines. After World War II, the tunnels were used to build tank engines until 1958. From 1961 until 1990, the facility was used as a network of nuclear bunkers. The site was finally sold off as surplus to requirements in 1993. The site is, in normal times without a virus going around, open for visits. Not very often, but you can find the link in the description below. That was our first little extra feature. Now we're off to our next memorial near Kinlet in Shropshire, which may or may not be accessible because of virus restrictions and, unfortunately, security restrictions, but we'll see when we get there. Well folks, the church is locked, so we can't get to see the memorial itself, but I do have some information on the night of the event that the memorial commemorates. 24th of September 1944, Avro Lancaster 3, serial number PB177, code GTL of 156 Pathfinder Squadron, took off from RAF Upwood in Cambridgeshire at 16:45 hours for operations over Calais in France. 188 aircraft took part in the mission, and as pathfinders would drop sky markers. However, there was low cloud as low as 2,000 feet, so several aircraft dropped down to get a visual. At this point they were engaged by anti-aircraft guns, and it is thought that PB177 was damaged. It's thought that the aircraft was lost at sea in the English Channel, and no sign of the wreckage was ever found. All the crew was reported missing, believed killed. Pilot Officer Kenneth Patrick Cochrane Doyle DFC, Flight Engineer Flight Sergeant Walter James Roberts, aged 23, Flight Officer James Albert Noble, aged 26, Navigator Flight Lieutenant Harold Frederick Morrish, DFC, aged 30, Second Navigator Pilot Officer Alfred Astle, DFC, aged 29, Wireless Operator Gunner Flight Sergeant Douglas Keller Green, aged 32, Air Gunner Wireless Operator William Henry Edinburgh, aged 36, and Air Gunner Sergeant Kenneth Steele, aged 21.